This AMAGABELI garden and home firewood rack combines a tall, space-saving footprint with a square base that holds a generous stack of logs for indoor hearths or outdoor fire pits. Its welded steel construction and black powder-coated finish feel solid and stable, giving confidence that it will handle heavy use in all seasons without wobbling or rusting quickly. The integrated tool set, including poker, shovel, brush, and tongs, keeps all essential fireplace tools within easy reach and neatly organized on the rack itself. A two-tier design with a raised base encourages airflow under the wood so it dries instead of sitting in ground moisture, while also catching debris before it scatters on the floor or patio. Thoughtful touches like hooks for kindling and smaller pieces of wood, plus a lower shelf for starters, make it easier to build and maintain a steady fire without extra trips to the woodpile. Overall, it is a practical, sturdy, and attractive storage solution that tidies up firewood and tools in one compact station, suitable for both traditional fireplaces and modern stoves.